Hello guys, welcome to Finds for You. Today we have a really useful thing that we are going to review. It's the Agaro spin mop I mean. So let's unbox and see. Let's go. The packaging of this seems to be really good because there is a box inside of this big box, and let's see what is inside of that box. So this is how the box came. Let's just put the box aside and open the smaller box. That's difficult. That's really difficult. Should have figured it out before. So yes, now we have all these things that came inside the small box. This seems like the shaft of the mop, and it comes with two buttons. Let's see what those buttons are later. There's an adapter. These are the two pads. Oh, these are the extra ones, I guess. Oh, that's the instruction manual, I guess. And they have a warranty card. You can register on their website. And let's see what more is there in this packet. Oh yes, this is a water measuring cup, I guess, that came with it, and I think we can use this to fill water inside of the actual mop. Now let's actually look at how the mop looks and take it out of the wrapper that it came along with. Yeah, so this is the mop, and it has a few details which we will look at now. So far the two pads are already provided on the mop, as well as with the extra pads that are provided along with it. So yeah, these are there, and I think these can be washed. These can be detached and washed. So there is this adjustment where you can this shaft has an height adjustment, although this is how the shaft is connected to the actual handle, and now the whole shaft and handle is connected to the actual mop with these two pins. And you can see there is some kind of distance between the mop and the shaft. So when you adjust the height of the shaft of the mop, then it gets adjusted and there's no space between the actual mop and the handle. This is how the mop looks after it has been assembled, and it is quite tall. I think I'm 5'2", so average height person can also handle it, and a tall person can also handle, is what I feel. So this is where the water needs to be filled. The jar that I showed you, that can be used as a reference or like a measuring cup, or with some 70 ml of cup. And from my use and personal experience, I think you can put like more water until according to the use that you have for it. So like I said, there are measurements on the cups. You can't see it in the video, but there are measurements on the cup. There are two buttons on the shaft of the mop. One is the power button and the other one is the sprinkler button. Let's see how they work. So this is the power button. Let's see. And this is the sprinkle button. So once I sprinkle, it is sprinkled over here. Let's go ahead, and it makes a little bit of noise. It is a little bit too much if I have to do like 3 to 4 rooms. So let's see how it cleans without the noise for a little bit. And the light stains are cleaned easily, while the dark and the persistent ones are a little bit difficult to remove.